Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper trending on X, published on March 9th, 2026, just 3 days ago. It proposes a clean slate architectural redesign that replaces graphical user interfaces with a unified natural user interface, solving the current bottleneck where autonomous agents must rely on fragile screen scraping and fragmented tools. The paper is titled AgentOS, From Application Silos to a Natural Language-Driven Data Ecosystem. And as we will see later, this shift toward a continuously learning, intent-driven system has some really exciting implications for the future of computing. Okay, Figure 1 illustrates this architectural shift from traditional operating systems to the proposed AgentOS. On the left, we see the current state where an autonomous agent struggles with a cluttered graphical interface, often dealing with error pop-ups and fragmented context. Moving to the right, the new AgentOS replaces that desktop with a single portal for natural language and voice commands. These inputs are processed by a central agent core, which then orchestrates specialized agents, like a scheduler or file manager. Finally, these specialized agents execute system actions via the Model Context Protocol, ensuring more reliable operations. Well, Figure 2 breaks down the layered architecture of the proposed system. At the top, the user interface relies on a unified gateway for text and voice inputs. These inputs flow into the agent kernel, where an intent parser determines what the user wants. This kernel then uses skill modules and a multi-agent coordinator to organize the required tasks. Finally, the system connects down to the legacy OS kernel using the Model Context Protocol to securely access the file system and hardware drivers. Alright, Figure 3 dives into how the agent kernel understands what a user wants. On the left, the system continuously collects a multimodal data stream, pulling in voice logs, text, geolocation, and task context. This data is then woven into a personal knowledge graph in the center, which links these isolated pieces of information together to form a coherent profile. Finally, on the right, the intent resolution process springs into action. When a user gives an ambiguous command, like booking a usual flight, the system uses the graph to fill in the missing details, asks for confirmation, and executes the task. Okay, Table 1 directly compares legacy operating systems with the new AgentOS architecture across several layers. At the human-computer interface layer, the traditional graphical interface is replaced by a single natural language port for voice and text. Then, at the application layer, isolated third-party applications become user-defined skill modules. Finally, the core management engine shifts from traditional process scheduling to an intent parser and a multi-agent coordinator, which fundamentally alters how tasks are orchestrated. So, Table 2 highlights how the evaluation framework shifts from legacy operating systems to the new AgentOS. While traditional systems focus on stability and resource utilization, the new metrics prioritize user intent fulfillment and task completion rates. Fault tolerance also moves away from crash logs, instead measuring hallucination rates and context drift, meaning the model losing track of the user's original goal over long interactions, which is critical when relying on language models. Finally, benchmarking now uses simulations like Android Arena, and the system evolves dynamically through sequential pattern mining rather than depending on static developer patches. Wrapping up, 2 takeaways stand out. AgentOS signals the end of traditional graphical interfaces, and it turns the operating system into a continuously learning data pipeline. This shift promises to make computers proactive, intent-driven partners, rather than just passive tools. That's it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Thanks for listening.